Alright, first things first, 10mm socket, ratchet. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and pop it off. Once it's popped off, you can find your coolant temperature control sensor back here in the back. Boop, right there. First, you unclip the wiring harness. There you go. Once that's off, I use the deep socket 19mm. Make sure it goes on there snug all the way down. You don't want to strip it. Loosen it up. Now that it's loose, you just untighten it, pull it out. Old, ugly, rusted sensor. Here's a new part that I got. Bought it from AutoZone. Pop that open and compare them. There's a side-by-side, left hand, old sensor, new sensors on the right. Make sure you got that ring right there on the sensor before you plug it in. Alright, you're gonna want to stick it better in the hole and start by hand tightening it. Once you get that threaded in as far as you can, go back to your deep socket 19mm and torque it back down. Once that's torqued, you're going to want to clip your wiring harness back on. Make sure it clicks and it pushes down all the way. There you go. You installed your brand new coolant sensor. Once you're done, pop your cover back on and reinstall. 1, 2, 3, 4.